let's try the writing of equation of the line using the slope-intercept form or y-intercept form. So again po, let's have the first one is this. The first method po is the slope and y-intercept form. So dito po, gamit tayo ng formula natin na y is equal to mx plus b, which is po yung m is the slope and b is the y-intercept po. So, ibig sabihin, it be in a graph po, si letter B po is our y-intercept or y-axis po, no? So, let's for example, we want to know the equation of m is equal to 2 and b is equal to negative 3. So, ang gagawin nyo lang, just simply substitute po by using the formula of general form na y is equal to mx plus b. By substituting the value of your m, which is po yung m natin is 2. So, copy muna yung y and then we have 2. Then, copy si x. Then, the value of our b is negative 3. So, this one is our general form. Syempre po, we will need to find the equation form into a standard form, which po standard form will give us ax plus by is equal to c. So let's for example, we want to transpose this one into standard form. All you need to do is just simply label nyo muna if nahirapan kayo mag-determine. So this one is our by and this one is our ax and this one is our c. So, based on the formula po, dapat magkatabi yung ating ax and by. So, sa atin pong general form, magkaiwalay silang dalawa. Therefore, we will need to transpose po positive 2 into negative 2 to the left side, which is po sa ating standard form, mapupunta po si 2 po sa right side. I mean, sa left side. So, therefore, when we are transposing po, lilipat po natin siya ng pwesto, dapat papalitan din po natin siya ng sign. So, dahil dito siya ay positive 2x, therefore, kapag lumipat po doon, magiging negative 2x. And then, just simply copy y, positive y or plus y is equal to, then yung letter C natin, just simply copy lang. So, tatandaan natin, ang lumilipat lang po natin dito is yung ating ax po that we need to transpose to the other side. And in standard form, meron tayong rule na dapat po mas maganda, dapat po ang ating pong ax, it should be in positive form. So therefore, kapag negative po yung ating unang number or constant po, then we should po divide or multiply po into negative 1. So para lang po ma-change yung sign niya, so which is po negative 1 times negative 2 magiging positive 2x, while negative 1 times positive y magiging negative y, and negative 1 times negative 3 magiging positive 3. So this one is your equation. So what if the given has a fraction po? So example number 2, find the equation of the line having a y-intercept of 5 and a slope of 1/4. So this time, ang slope natin is fraction. So therefore, ganito po ang mangyayari, no? Ganito itsura niya. So we have y po natin or the b. So our m is 1/4 and our b po is 5. So again, just using the formula of y is equal to mx plus b. All you need to do, just substitute lang po ulit. So this y is bring down, copy 1/4, and then x, and then plus 5. So, para matanggal natin yung fraction, kapag gusto natin gawing standard form na ax plus by equals c, sa standard form kasi, hindi natin masyadong ina-accept ang fraction. So, kailangan nyo siyang gawin pong hindi siya dapat magkaroon ng fraction. So, all you need to do is po, para matanggal yung fraction, just divide po into 4. Kasi our denominator is 4, therefore, we need to divide the number by 4. So, ganito lang gagawin natin. So, yung 4 po, kapag hindi po fraction, syempre, mamultiply natin. That's direct lang po. So, 4 multiply to y, magiging 4y. And then, this one is 4 divided by 4. So, just simply cancel out na lang. So, that's 1 na po. And then, we have 1 or x po. And then, 4 times 5 po, we have plus 20. Again, Just let me repeat po. So, yung 4, multiply nyo lang doon sa 4y. And then 4 po divided by 4 sa denominator, magiging 1. 1 times 1, we have 1 or x. Ito po yon. And then 4, multiply doon sa 5, we have 20. Okay? So, then after that, we need to transpose this one into, into standard form. So, therefore po, again, lilipat uli natin yung x natin doon sa kabilang side. Kasi kailangan magkatabi yung ax natin and by. So, therefore, magiging negative x siya. Bring down plus 4y or bring down 4y. And then bring down 20. So, then again po, dahil negative po yung ating first, number. So, all you need to po, divide both side by negative 1 or negative. So, which is po magiging negative divided by negative, we have x po. I'm so sorry. Negative times negative, magiging positive x. And then negative times positive 4y, magiging negative 4y. And then negative po times 20, positive 20, magiging negative 20. So, at the back of your mind, if kapag ang given natin sa unang number, ang ax natin ay negative, all you need to do, just simply vice versa the sign. Ibig sabihin, palitan mo, kapag negative, gawin mo positive. Pag positive, gawin mo negative. Ganun lang po siya kadali. So, this one is our final equation.